Hi guys, so today's vlog, I'm going to a clinic so I can have a facial treatment like this one. So many pimples from the hair because I'm not taking hormones, so I'll show you. So I'm here walking to the clinic, which is located under the Pag-ibig building. So like Mercury. So here's the clinic. I'm gonna do the diode laser hair removal. So I'm in the wrong area. So here's the clinic at the top of the Mercury building. And this is their clinic. So let's go inside. There's the mura ba siya kanang
Ikaw kita lang ni mama ako.
di ko nagkatong mura lang siya tubig.
Ang may water na sila.
Nagkatong Garnier.
Daghan man to sa lite.
Kung ano man kung ginawa silang Selka,
Sila ka
papaya.
papaya ng tumo.
Lain ang siya tanong kay murag kay katong nag-Thailand mo makuan mo siya kay init mo kay dito yung kuno. Lain. Yung kula inaw kay maklaro ang kanang dark spot. laser na. Wala na, 1 month na ako na. Magaling yung control account ako ka nagka-laser. Hindi, kon po, dili ko siya ako ng pills ko. Ako dito katong kon, injectable dito ng kon. Mahal dyan, gas ko kayo. So, I'm home guys. So, the procedure that I get is diode laser hair removal. And, right now, I cannot wash my face or put anything. And tomorrow morning or, yeah, like 12 hours, the girl said, I don't know if she's a beautician or a doctor or a, what's that, like, facial doctor. And because I have so many like this, like dark spot hair, so I have to remove that. I'm using tweezers, so I'm tired using tweezers, so I have to do my laser treatment. I just wanna thank to Fred because the laser procedure, guys, the diode laser is 798, different price, like because their promo right now, they have 399 upper lips and lower lips is also 399, and the regular price I think is 599. It's like 600 pesos. So right now they're on promo because of araw ng panabo, something like that. So they have promo. So they have two procedure, like they called a laser hair removal. It's just like your hair will be burn or something, but what I use is a diode laser, so that also the roots will die, so that it's not going back. But I have to go back there after a month, so that it continues. For if there's what she said, like advice, like if the hair is growing, I just need to shave or put a shaving cream, not use tweezer, so that it will not be irritated. As you can see, it's very dark because I just like use a tweezer to pull it, and it's like that. So it's hard to be being a transgender. You need proper maintenance, like high maintenance. So yes, after a month, I'm gonna go there and another diode laser, so that it will not grow back again. They also have in the armpit, I don't know how much the price. They also have in the legs area, they have a waxing, and their spa is located at the Pag-ibig building, at the end of the building in the upper part, like in the second floor. And they also have salon under, so I went into the wrong area, so they told me like it's in the second floor. So yes, I'm happy. I hope this will work and it not go back, but I have to go there. Actually, the session is like 6 times. It depends on the severity of your hair growth. Sure. Hope you like my video for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and hope don't like to like, share, and subscribe.